get there, the mother stop here.
Wow.
The other can run away. So when we came, we divided ourselves, so put one behind, and we came here. The group that came here was overpowered. They ran behind the police. The officer came, they ran behind them with sticks from single barrel gun, shooting at them. The police are still way on the road. They followed them. They followed them on the road. They were shooting. That's how the officers went on the road and reinforcement came. We were able to camp. But right now, we still have some of them in the bushes that we treated. Have some of them behind them. We cannot reach there right now. However, where the rest, some pistols, single barrel pistols, with the rounds, and even the ones that are used to empty shells. We were able to find them. We also arrested some people. These are the rounds. These are large rounds. The weapon is in the vehicle. The weapon is in the car. So we arrested almost 40, 50 human beings we having as one right now. It's one ongoing investigation. In the process, one city police officer was hit. Took him to the hospital. And in the exchange of fire, we had 3 persons that were hit. They took them to the hospital also. However, the team leader, the tactical team leader, that brought the first group is here. Where is Peter? Where is Dynamite 1?
Okay, thank you very much.
Welcome, sir.
Let's stop on the team now.
Oh, wait.
We have here.
What is make sure you have yourself. The reason we're here for is here to ensure the police order is here, or say are here. So make sure everything, there are more good people than bad people in this country. We always make sure you guys will help us so we can help you, yes? So thank you ever so much. The RG is here. So we're going across the place there to see. But you guys must be the first respondent. Meaning, you'll call the police. The police will say, if you can't have with a problem, get information. Call the police so we come in to help you.
Okay, sir. If you even learn that you guys coming back here to redeal with me, get me the power to go come and go and stop for me.
Yeah? Yeah, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Everything.
Wash up back there. Hey. Back in.
Yeah, Hello? Hello? Clap for yourself. Clap for yourself. Thank you. Thank you for everything. You see, we here. And also, we're all the way on the base there. We want to go see for ourselves. We come to assure you, you see the RG, the police director is here, and your city mayor is here too. No matter we can come here, but we need your assistance. We want to reassure you, everything is on calm. Nobody should panic. There are more good people in this country than bad people. So if few people want to be bad, the good people who are more will get together and make sure the bad people will not prevail over the good people. And that's all? Yeah. Clap for yourself. They have bad people among you now? No. I want to hear you got bad people among you? No. So everybody looking at people here? They are good people? Yeah. Okay, clap for yourself, good people. So I want to say thank you. We have come. That leafy, we want no trouble now. The police have come to reassure safety. That's why we are here. We want you now to do a responsibility. We have your chairman here, you see. We're having a mass community meeting. But when this thing happen immediately, the RG come in, same as the city mayor. This thing happening in your city. Let's come and see how we can engage the people. Immediately we left the people and we are here. We want to say thank you for people like you who call me directly and give me the information. But we want you to tell us first, because when you give us the information, we who are your leaders will be able to help you. So we pass around, we're talking to you here, we talk to a lot of people, and we allow the RG to talk to you. You see yourself, he didn't say nobody. He says on the ground to tell you that the fact that he can walk over there, that means you have no fear. There's no reason for you to fear anything. But at the same time, the police, the city police, the Liberian National Police will be right here. Will be right here making sure. By the time you're here, tell you, and you want to do other things, they will make sure you don't affect other people. And when somebody say that money, when you get paid, can move you for money. Yes. If you are an Ebola patient, will tell you for money people because when you don't get affected, Allah. No. You want to Ebola person among you here? No. So when you get Ebola attitude, then we'll find medicine for you. Then we take you for money people, Yes. But we want to assure you that the people will be safe. Nothing will happen. Thank you ever so much. Here for the RG. Hello. 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 I think you all can recall I came in your community for community policing, right? Yes. Okay, when I came, one of the numerous complaints I received, it was about this area they call the base. Marketer, community members, everybody cried on us during the meeting that this particular area is infested with a lot of hardened criminals and there's a need for us to come and get rid of this place. And I promise you all that we are going to come here to ensure that we clear the place, isn't it? Yes. So today, you know, when we came to the meeting, we were told that people are harboring arms, ammunition, and everything. We did not believe it. But when we came here today, I think all of you here heard the different sounds of guns, right? Yes. Okay, so it has proven that what you told us, that people harboring guns and everything here is true. Because we came, we even arrested some guns, we arrested some ammunition, we have them with us. So I can assure you, and we can reassure the community that the police will be here and will ensure that you live in total safety. Those who are here who are terrorizing you guys and are harboring themselves in that area they call the base, that place will no longer exist. Thank you.
Most of the armed robbers and other hardened criminals we are looking for, they are all based in a particular destination. When our men came, they even identified 3-4 of them that went into the swamp. So we are here, we're going to ensure that it is not only this community, we're moving to other communities to make sure we reduce crime rate in our various community. Thank you.
So thank you. You are the RG. All the good thing we now say. One thing we need from you is your support. For the place to be safe, we want your cooperation. We want you to be very supportive. So as we have come here, and not in the past, where we will get instruction, the life we carry is the same life we carry. The way we feel for you. You saw the way we went all the way across there. We keep advising them. You too has a responsibility. And that responsibility is to conduct yourself in accordance with the law. You should also inform us. Every time you hear bad things, bad information, reach out to us. What we want to assure you now, the police and I will work. We want a perpetual police presence in this community. The police presence will be here. If you think we just clear the play for you say like that disco like have you joking and you spay yourself. We come here, right here will be right here. We'll not just leave from here. Right by. So you come here and you think you fix it. So you can take it. Thank you very much.
So another thing, whenever you hear or see these guys coming back to rebuild that area, just notify us. You see the information you gave us, nobody know who gave us the information, but we got the information and we work on it. And today I think you all are happy, right? Yes. Okay, so a year that they want to come back, just call us, we'll make sure it start there.
I'm very happy for the police moving in today because we gave the police
the chairman of this community.
Why they are here today.
Do you feel threatened?
So any other information we have for the police, we'll give it out to the police.
Is there any level of insecurity that you might have at the moment?
Yes. Even personally, we were at the city hall when the mayor and the director decided to come and join us to come here. We received information from our people that now you can't even go in your house, but as you can see how Douala is looking like. There's a war zone. The guys they start to loot people area already. And now they threaten the community that since we make sure their area have been demolished, we the community people will not sleep. And said they say we will not sleep, they say we will not sleep because we are going to be out tonight and keep the area safe for our people.
Let's hear your name again.
My name is Alexander B. Vinton, chairman for Momotown West Community.
Thank you again.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
So that was Momotown West Community Chairman Vinton giving his own input of the situation. So we stay here at the Douala area, Douala Market, where shooting incident that led to the death of at least 3 persons here, and we just watched the police agit and that of the mayor of Monrovia giving assurance to the community dweller about the safety of this place. So we normally we see marketeers here, but today because the situation, the place is like a ghost town. It's almost empty. Still being joined by the mayor of Monrovia and police agent from Pachasulu.
That is the reason why we are here. We see what everything happening. We see if you make noise, you will not hear. And you will not tell me say raise your voice. If you quiet, you will hear exactly what I say. Like a Babylon Amoya, like a space Amoya. Alright. So you don't get space Amoya, you're listening. Because security is everybody's business, eh? Yes. And security is everybody's business, eh? Yes. And you know what can happen, eh? Yes. Trouble, it can like a ring, it can fall every house, eh? Yes. And you see, generally, the whole place clear? Yes. It's because of trouble. Meaning we don't want trouble, eh? Because even when you don't get food to eat, you want your late peace, you know? Yes. You can eat your late dry rice, you want to be sure you go to bed, making sure that tomorrow be okay for you, eh? Yes. Somebody who can do our daily hustle, you want peace, eh? Yes. So, we want to make sure there are some bad people among us here who believe that they can hammer us. But I want to will make sure we hammer them too. Yes. So that all of us can be protected, and that's all? Yes. And that's all? Yes. So, but I want to say to you, there are more good people in this place than bad people. Eh? Yes. So we the good people, what we must do, we must come together. Eh? Yes. When we come together and we defeat the bad people. Yes. And you see, that got bad people among you now? No. And the good people here? Yes. You clap for yourself. All right. Because you are a good person. Because when you... Amen. No space there. No space on my car. What we want to say to you, the president wants you to be safe. Because he wants you to be safe, he said, Mr. City Mayor, Mr. Police Director, go to Douala. Don't say nobody. Yourself go there. So our self came here to reassure you. We will open the road, the police director pass the instruction. The road will be open, the shops will be open. But what we want you to know, that you need to be peaceful. We will assure your security. Security police will remain here. They will stay here to enforce your safety. Some of the bad people, some of the people who live among trying to cause trouble. One of the guys you see here, who is responsible to spoil our children, to give them wrong thing, give them sunny. But the policeman will talk about that. I the surveillance. I own a mayor, I talk surveillance tour, you know? Yes. The man will talk security tour. But don't go there. When you add the other way, you know what can happen, eh? Yes. So we pass here to tell you, thank you for keeping that place calm. Don't let nobody to give you wrong information. This place will be saved through your help, through your support. And that's why we are here. We ensure, not just for time, we're going all around. The people who carry false and misinformation about this place being unsafe, we are here to tell you that this place is safe through your help, and we'll do everything possible. But the people who say they can't go to bed, I want to say to when I go to bed. So the archer will tell you to open the road, the security will remain here. But we come back, not yet today, but I'm just going to tell you, we'll come back in the community chairman and myself will develop a program where we can decide to protect ourselves. And the way to protect yourself is to cooperate, is to disseminate, is to get information to the people who are in authority. So the police director is here, he's relying on your information, he relies on your cooperation. Put down the guy for the police director.
Hello? Hello? First of all, I'd like to tell all of you, thank you for supporting us. It was because of the information you gave us. This is why we plan this operation to raid this particular area they call base. Because I learned over the period, these guys will leave that area and just come in the market, beat people, take their property away, and walk in there, and no man dare to go there. Isn't it? Yes. Anybody can go in there? No. So when they take your property, they just walk in there and nobody can chase them, right? Yes. But today, that story is over. to reassure you that you will be fully protected while doing your business here. There is no need to panic. The situation has been placed under control and the police is in control. We will work with you all to ensure your safety becomes a paramount issue to us. So any information you have concerning any of these criminals who have been harassing you over the period, just give it to us quietly. We'll work on that information and have that person arrested. So we'd like to thank you. We'd like to thank you and we'd like to ensure that you open your businesses. The road's going to be open and our officer will have here. We're not going to leave from here. We will remain here to ensure your safety. That base that we have demolished today, nobody will be allowed to build anything on our base.
So what we call criminals who drink. Monrovia, National Police, also see the gentleman that's coming from the Liberia Immigration Service
towards the mail stand. We see the mail along with the police inspector general who was taking the lead, who was showing the safety of
from Douala, where it was reported that
coming to the line.
and some of our brothers and sisters.
Yo, where you at, boy?
What the government, specifically Liberia National Police, would do to show the normal and peaceful lifestyle and business in Washington.
Now under, I can say, the protection of state security covering this event, there is of course no story worth dying for. So, Martha reloaded robbers.
Got a water box?
Thank you, gentlemen. Thank you. Abençoa. I'm there for some juguet. No.
I'll say if you get washing up on ABC, you'll be laughing direct consolidation
Still walking, so if you just joined our broadcast, I coming to you from Guala, the Bushwa Island. Those of you who left Nigeria a very long time ago, I know you know how normally Guala will appear, especially during the festive seasons. Trust me. This place will return to what we call status quo ante.
Uniform share back to school, uniform share can't get uniform share back to school, uniform share back to school.
So folks, welcome. We are here just joining us. We say welcome. But here, while I bring you live update after the shooting incident that led to the killing of 3 persons here at the Douala market. And right now, the more arrested mayor and that of the Inspector General of the Liberia National Police, Patrick Sue, and Jefferson Tamakuji here, having a tour, assessing the environment, and assuring the populace that things have come to normality, and ensuring that the place will be secure to the fullest. So we here bring you live update on this. We're not far from the Point 4 junction. We're not far from the Point 4 junction. So it's a serious tour going on. After the Flamontin Douala itself, we're now heading to Conway Junction. The tour, basically it's just to, raise hope that this place come, to normal, and so people can go about their normal business. As you notice, the Inspector General, earlier, I showed resident of this locality that is opening their stores and their businesses. Things is abnormal, it's not panic, but I understand stores are still closed. Bit. People opening bit by bit, especially at this end where the 4-way end, or the central Douala where the place, incident took place. Everywhere has been shut down, but we'll see. The police present will ensure that the place is safe and people will come up and start to live back together. But we here bring you a live update. So stay tuned as we say stay tuned. As we bring you live So yeah, we are here on this day. Power. This is the power. This is the power. Nearing at the Point 4 junction. And the cheer from the crowd there. Appreciating the police for bringing calm to the situation. So we see here. These are all market here employing the police.
Long distance.
Makanya gua baca. Makanya gua baca around 1%. 1%.
Nossa, como é que foram? Rapaz, isso é lindo.
Makuna 1%. Saya gua. So we're here at the Point Juncture, and this is the aftermath of the shooting incident that took place earlier this morning, where 3 persons were reportedly killed by the Liberian National Police. And afterward, the police the tour. This is a tour taken by the IG and that of the city mayor, and this is in regards to, I think,
This is Fortune Television. I'm flanked by several of my colleagues from different media institutions here on the Bourgeois Island, covering an incident that took place. But actually, we were not in the line of tension when the incident took place. But we're here now to talk to state security or state actors, beginning with Mayor Jefferson Tamakoji. Mayor Koji, welcome to our joint microphones.
Well, thank you so much.
Well, why are you here, and what exactly happened that you know of?
Actually, we had an unfortunate situation in the Douala community, particularly as a place that has been named after being heavily infested by criminals called the Bays. So unfortunately for us, one of our fundamental responsibilities is the security of our people. So the Liberian National Police, along with a joint activity with the Monrovia City Police, one of us, after several scores by citizens that they have come under attack or numerous attacks at that place that has been heavily infested with criminals. So today, the Liberian National Police thought it was to have a joint intervention to see how they bring sanity to the place.
And so your own involvement as the mayor of the city government of Monrovia, what change does it bring to the people, most especially those affected by these criminals?
Well, basically, when the people are intimidated and live on a fear, it also affects my leadership. Because one of my fundamental responsibilities is to ensure that the community is to ensure that the people within the community, they are indeed protected. So when they continuously live in panic and begin to call for state actor intervention, the most simplest thing to do. And that's why we see we have one government. So we're easy to talk to the IG and myself, so we talk to engage. Unfortunately for us today, little bit we know that that place has been infested with hardcore criminals. They also retaliated by shooting guns. And they shoot, the first security who went there, in fact, at the information that we've been briefed, our initial information, that in fact the first security who went there were being overwhelmed by them, but being actor of the state, the government is in full swing. So what we did was we were able to beef up the initial engagement. So they wanted engagement, and I can say to you with safety, our team will be able to delve into the security of the nation. But the first thing first, we want to let the public know that camp have been restored. Our people have no cause to panic. That's the reason we are here. We have engaged the constituents. We have engaged the marketeers. We also reassured them. We went to the scene So that place has been completely demolished.